Hi, hello, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to create a pie chart on Google Sheets. So here I will open my Google Sheets. I have example data from A to E, and then the data is only the random number. I want to make it as a pie chart. How to do that is really simple. You just drag from the A1 until B6 and then click insert, and then you can click chart. See, automatically Google Sheets will be create a more suitable the most suitable chart that they think that the Google Sheets think. But for us, we want to the pie chart. So you just double click on your chart, and then here you can see chart type. You find this suggested pie chart, or you could, if you couldn't find on here, you can scroll down till you can find this pie chart. So see, I have my pie chart with five differentiation, five distinguish of data, A, B, C, D, E, and then this is the percentage of every data label. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.